Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable outdoor mode on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, go to display. In display, okay, you can see the outdoor mode. And okay guys, on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the outdoor mode, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, if this outdoor mode is enabled, make the screen brighter for outdoor viewing after 15 minutes. Outdoor mode will turn off unless you're still using the screen. And okay guys, to turn off again or to disable the outdoor mode, you'll have to do is turn off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, I decide to turn on or enable the outdoor mode on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled outdoor mode on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.